Okay, so I'm making this museum for a, a streamer that gets only platinum trophies, and I've noticed while doing this that games need to get their shit together and like make the trophies consistent. Like, look at Crash. Crash looks pretty consistent. Like, everything matches. Spyro over here. Spyro looks consistent. Have a nice flow of the trophy images. But then you get to things like Tomb Raider, who you have like this red one with a gun, then it's Laura, then it's just like a trophy. Like, the hell is that bullshit? You have these kind of nice ones going on, then it's just trophy. Uncharted, you have a medal, a patch that has a trophy, and then we're back to Nathan, right? And then, the most sinful of them all, you come to Assassin's Creed, and look at this. Nice image, nice image, nice image, nice image. The fuck is this? This is the platinum trophy for Assassin's Creed 7. They have all this nice imagery going on, and then they just give a fucking, like, award picture for this one. Like, what the hell? Anyways, rant over. Bye.